What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And yeah, we knew that the quarter one results were not going to be good for Stellantis. I just didn't think they were going to be this bad. They do have some bright spots. We'll talk about those. Surprising, actually. And yeah, roll the intro. So welcome on back to TK's Garage. It is early for me, man. I don't even have the track lighting on or nothing. I'm just dealing with what's been going on with the tariffs and plants being shut down. And I want to talk a little bit about the first quarter results for Stellantis. They're abysmal. They're basically down 12% over the same time last year. Now, that might sound horrible, but when you really think about it, we really didn't see like the danger signs, the disaster starting to hit until the end of the first quarter last year. And but being down 12% over where you were last year is just another significant decline. Currently, and I haven't looked at it yet this morning, it's 11:20 in the morning. Let's look and see where Stellantis' stock is. Stellantis stock. Wow. You know what? It's down 10% today. Wow. I said this, a month ago, that I thought it was going to hit the 11s, and I didn't think it was going to go this low. Currently, $10.28. Could it rebound a little bit today? Maybe. It just rebounded a point and a quarter. Wow. Because it was almost down to $9, in the $9 range. But now it's at 10.28, down 8.75% today. Probably about, an hour, maybe 2 hours left of trading. 10.27. Yeah, it's going down. Wow. You know, I expected the tariffs to make a difference, but I think the tariffs combined with them announcing closures and canceling of models until further notice and the layoffs, but shutting down the Mexico-Canada plants, not making any more inventory, combined with dismal quarter one earnings or sales numbers. We don't get the earnings yet, but I'm sure they're going to be bad, is resulting in a stock price in the tens. It's just, I can't believe it right now. This is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, year to date, let's just look. In the last 6 months, the stock's lost 21%. Year to date, it's down 19.6%. It's just, it just doesn't look good, man. It really doesn't. Man. Lost 11% in the last 5 days and 9% now today. Well, there was some bright spots for the brand, for Stellantis. And that was, believe it or not, Chrysler, as they've sold a ton of minivans, evidently, are up around 11.5% in sales over the same time last year with the minivans. That could just be a cycle where people have had them for a few years and it was time to get new ones. And crazy incentives and other stuff could cause people to upgrade. The Charger has been moving, mostly on leases. Getting the data that I have been able to get from two of the nation's largest auto groups, it's about 87% lease. That means nobody's buying these. They're leasing them. And there's going to be an influx of these in a year or two. Of all these lease returns. And they're going to be like fire selling these cars. But Yeah, I'm just literally watching the stock crater right now. And I know the Antonio Filosa emails are probably just hitting different. I'm sure it's hitting different news outlets as I'm speaking right now. But we got that email in and laying off so far 900 U.S. UAW represented employees, but completely shutting down and saying that the Charger, the Wagoneer, the Jeep Compass, the Wagoneer S, the Charger EV Daytona, the minivan, which is the Pacifica in Canada, canceled to further notice. The 2500, 3500 Ram, which are big heavy duty trucks, that's kind of a big hit. And but it also look, dealers probably have at least 90 days of inventory of that stuff. I'm not stressing about that part. This massive hit to the stock price, though, literally goes to John Elkin. Yes, you got Tavares out of there. Yes, you brought back Tim Kaniskis. You made some of the right moves, but you played chicken with the president, and that's stupid. You could have already moved the 2,500 and 3,500, or been like 30 to 40% done with retooling to do those trucks at WTAP, and you didn't do it. So, oof. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. But to see this stock this low, it might hit the nines in the next hour. And I thought 11s. I didn't think it was going to do this. But we could be talking bankruptcy for Stellantis before the end of 2025 at this point, as the stock is now back down to $10.08. It's approaching $9. Wow. As always, stay petty, my friends.